Hey you guys, I'm jumping straight into this video because this is a bonus bow video. I'm so corny. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna get started. So to achieve this look, I'm starting on a braid out. I've just split my hair in half and I'm putting the top part up. And here I'm just placing some Eco Styler gel and I'm brushing that up. I'm not trying to get it as slick as possible. You guys can if you want. I just knew it was gonna happen, so I didn't even try. So here I tried to put my hair up with a rubber band or an elastic, but it didn't work, so I actually had to go back in with a hair tie just to put my hair up. So now that you have your hair up, you can decide to lay your baby hairs. I decided to do mine, but this part is completely optional. So after you put your hair up, you want to divide your hair into two parts on the top. This is just going to help you when you get ready to put your hair back into the actual bow. So now what you're going to want to do is actually start taking pieces from the middle. This is going to be the knot of the bow, and you're just going to pin that back. So now that you have that, you're just going to take the other two pieces and pin those back as well. So in order to hide the hair tie, I'm just taking a piece of hair and I'm wrapping it underneath. And now I'm pinning the other side down as well. So now what you want to do is start really playing and manipulating it to really get it into that bow shape. This is going to take some getting used to, but just have a little bit of patience. Once you got the shape, it should look something like this. Alright you guys, it's your boy Nas aka Supreme. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll be back with another YouTube video. So stay tuned.